Working with line spacing. Change the spacing before and after the selected paragraphs. By default, paragraphs are followed by a blank line and headings have extra space above them. Select the paragraph. On the Page Layout tab, in Paragraph Group, click on arrow next to Spacing Before or Spacing After and enter the amount of space required. Line spacing options. Single default option. This option sets line spacing to 1 line, 1.5 lines. This option is 1.5 times that of single line spacing. Double. This option is twice that of single line spacing. At least. This option sets at minimum amount of space between lines. Exactly. This option sets fixed line spacing expressed in points. Multiple. This sets the line spacing to accommodate multiple lines. Change the line spacing for paragraphs. Select the paragraphs for which you want to change the line spacing. On the Home tab, in Paragraph Group, click on Line and Paragraph Spacing. Click on Line Spacing Options and select the option you want under Spacing. Using tabs. Use tabs to align text in your documents. By default, Word has tab stops every 0.5 inch on the ruler. Tab stop types. There are 5 types of tab stops available which do the following. Left aligned. Text flows to the right. Centered. Text centers on this position as you type. Right aligned. Text flows to the left. Decimal aligned. Text aligns on the decimal point when using numbers. Bar. Insert a vertical line at tab stop, setting tabs using the ruler. This is the easiest way to set tabs. If you can't see the ruler, click on View Ruler at the top of the vertical scroll bar. Click anywhere on the ruler and you will set a tab stop. Arranging text with tables. If you need to include structured text in your document, then using a table is the easiest way to make sure that it will remain neatly formatted even when you edit it. Creating a table. Click the Table button on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Drag the mouse along the grid that appears, highlighting the number of rows and columns for the table. Release the mouse button to insert the table. Inserting text in a table. To insert the text in a table, simply place the cursor and click on the desired cell and start typing. Adding a new row. Place the cursor in any cell on the row you want to be adjacent to. Now under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, in the Rows and Columns group, select Insert Above or Insert Below. Adding a new column. Place the cursor in any cell on the column you want to be adjacent to. Now select Insert Left or Insert Right under Table Tools on the Layout tab in the Rows and Columns group. Deleting rows and columns. Select the rows or column. Now right-click on Table in the shortcut menu followed by Delete Rows or Delete Columns. The row or column is deleted and those above and below or right and left respectively are closed up to fill the space.